Now we will be starting about studying and learning details about our new course name, that is Internship in Administrative Management. So for understanding details of Internship in Administrative Management, we will require to understand what will be this particular course content and about which we will be studying in details accordingly in the module wise manner. So that's why for understanding details about what we are going to study, what you are going to learn from this particular course, we will be required to move towards our next particular slide. So let us move towards our next particular slide. In this next particular slide, the course content has been mentioned over here. Accordingly, under part 1, you will be able to understand its introduction and study plan. Introduction, and you will also know your instructor, study plan, the structure of the course, through which you will be able to understand that what you are going to learn, what you are going to understand from this particular course that have been mentioned over here as Internship in Administrative Management. And then you will be gain the particular effectiveness and also the positiveness, informations and also the details in related to this particular course name. So that's why for understanding what you are going to cover up, the details and also the particular content accordingly under this particular course name, Internship in Administrative Management, we will be required to move towards our next particular slide. So let us move towards our next particular slide. In this next particular slide have been mentioned as content. Means you will be able to understand from this particular course that you will learn about Introduction to Administrative Management, where you will be able to cover the role and responsibilities of an admin executive, overview of administrative functions, importance in organizational efficiency, key responsibilities and skills, office etiquette and professionalism, professional behavior and communication, dress code and personal presentation, time management and punctuality, basic computer skills, introduction to operating systems, file management and organization, basic troubleshooting. You will also be able to learn about communication skills, verbal communications, effective speaking and listening skills, telephone etiquette, handling difficult conversations, written communications, writing clear and concise emails, memo and letter writing, documentation and reporting, non-verbal communications means understanding body language, active listening skills, building rapport with the colleagues and clients, office technology and management means office equipment, using the office equipment, that is printers, scanners and of course the fax machines, maintenance and troubleshooting, managing office supplies and also the inventory, office software, introduction to office software, that is Microsoft Office Suite and the Google Workspace, advanced features of word processing and spreadsheets, creating presentation, document management, creating and formatting documents, filing systems and record keeping, handling confidential information. Learn about organizational skills, time management, prioritizing the task and setting the goals, using the calendars and planners, avoiding procrastination, scheduling and planning, organizing meetings and appointments, coordinating events and conferences, travel arrangements, workflow management, understanding workflow processes, streamlining operations, using workflow management tools, financial and HR support, basic financial skills, understanding office budgets, handling petty cash and expenses, basic bookkeeping, human resource support, assisting with recruitment and onboarding, maintaining employee records, understanding HR policies and procedures, payroll and benefits administration, processing payroll, managing employee benefits, handling employee inquiries. You will learn about interpersonal and leadership skills, team collaboration, working effectively in a team, conflict resolution, building professional relationships, customer service skills, understanding customer needs, handling inquiries and complaints, providing exceptional service, leadership and initiative, taking initiative and being proactive, basic leadership principles, managing small projects. This training will be useful if your job involves the roles and responsibilities on the basis of the advanced administrative management, strategic planning, developing strategic plans, setting and achieving organizational goals, monitoring and evaluating progress, quality control and risk management, importance of quality control, implementing quality checks, identifying and mitigating risk, legal and ethical considerations, understanding legal requirements, ensuring compliance with regulations, ethical decision making in administration. So discover how to get the knowledge of the practical application, of course the career development additionally. So building a professional portfolio, importance of a professional portfolio, compiling work samples, presenting your portfolio, job search and interview skills, writing resumes and cover letters, job search strategies, preparing for interviews, real-world administration simulations, hands-on administrative tasks and projects, peer reviews and feedback, final project submission. So this online course, it is packed full of professionally produced downloadable resources which will enable you to start practicing immediately after the completion. Plus, you'll get access to Facebook, YouTube, podcast support, community, and practice your new skills right away. So, what will be the course requirement? You should have an interest in administrative management and understanding details about the administrative management. You should have an interest in understanding the introduction related to the administrative management, which will also cover the roles and responsibilities of an admin executive, overview of the administrative functions, importance in organizational efficiency, key responsibilities and skills, office etiquette and professionalism. You should also be interested in getting the knowledge of the particular details in related to what? In related to the communication skills, in related to the verbal communication, in related to the particular effective speaking and listening skills, telephone etiquette, handling the difficult conversation, written communications, writing clear and concise email, memo and the letter writing, and also the documentation and reporting and non-verbal communications. And you also should you should also have an interest in understanding about the body language and also the active listening techniques. And you should also be interested in understanding about the practical applications and the career development, building a professional portfolio. Importance of the professional portfolio, compiling the work samples, means the particular related work samples, presenting your portfolio, and also related to the job search and interview skills, and also the particular way of writing the resumes and cover letter, and also the job search strategies, preparing for interviews and real world administrative simulation, hand-on administrative tasks and projects, peer reviews and feedback, final project submission also. So this will be the particular course requirement, and then we can be able to say that in this case, after the course requirement, you will be able to understand that who this course will be for. This course will be for the professionals with administrative management knowledge who wants to see themselves well established and related to the work process, and also based upon the particular administrative management total or the overall procedure. And this course is also for the new professionals who are looking to see themselves successful in communication skills, office technology and management, and also organizational skills additionally. So this course is also for the existing executive, board directors and managing directors on the overall basis who is also looking to get more and more engagement and innovation from the teams and of course the organizations also. So the particular course can also be based upon the certain important crucial information which will take the next step in your career. Whether you are an up and coming professional, an experienced executive, aspiring manager, budding professional, this course is an opportunity to sharpen your administrative management skills and capabilities through increasing your efficiency for professional growth and make a positive and lasting impact in the business or organization. So with this course as your guide, you will be able to learn how to gain all the basic related functions and the skills required for understand the administrative management in details, and also understand the introduction towards the administrative management, and also you will be able to learn how to transform the communication skills, that is office technology and management, organizational skills in related to the particular financial and HR support also, and how to maintain this in the particular effective manner, positive manner within the organization. So get access to recommended templates and format for the detailed information related to the administrative management, and also learn the useful case studies, understand the interpersonal and leadership skills, advanced administrative management, practical applications and career development with the useful forms, and also the useful forms and its particular procedure in related with the useful norms, regulation, and also the particular framework also that can be stated as forms and the frameworks also additionally. So invest in yourself today and reap the benefits for the years to come. So let us move towards our next particular slide so that you can be able to understand details about the particular module 1 part. So let us move towards our next particular slide.